Many students come to SJSU from all around the world and have a lot of questions in their mind regarding who would come to pick them up from airport, where they would stay, where they would buy their groceries from, and how would they travel around or go to campus. I'm Rashmeet, and today in this video, I'll be giving tips and tricks you need before coming to SJSU. List of items you should bring and the list of items you should not bring when you come to United States.
For essential, I would recommend keeping light jacket, formals, traditional wear. For girls, don't forget to keep your cosmetics. In electronics, keep your power bank, phone charger. In toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, then your pillow cover. In stationery, notebook, eraser. In utensils, spoon, fork. In documents, do not forget to keep all the copies of important documents, some common medicines, and do not forget to bring your favorite snacks. And make sure you do not bring all of these items when you're traveling to US.
You might have a question in your mind regarding who would come to pick you up when you arrive here in San Jose or San Francisco. Do not worry. There is an organization called Contagious who arranges free airport pickup from airport to your home near SJSU. So you can go ahead and request a free airport pickup. I have linked down the form in the description below. You can request free airport pickup there. As you know, living in San Jose can be pretty expensive. The average rent is around $3,000 to $4,000, so it is advisable to live with a roommate so you can share your rent and also the utilities. Now, I'm going to show you how to find good and affordable accommodation and roommates near SJSU.
Housing, there are two types of options: on-campus housing and off-campus housing. This is on-campus housing. When you live on campus, you get to stay in dorms and experience university life. I personally lived in dorms in my freshman year, and it was an amazing experience. There are many housing options off campus near SJSU. These are a few of them. You guys can also consider this as your options. I know there are so many SJSU students who live in these apartments, and you will save a lot of money if you stay off campus.
I'll be posting a detailed video housing options near SJSU really soon, so don't forget to check that out.
To find roommates, you can join different Facebook groups like SJSU Student Off-Campus Housing. Here, students post regarding different availability in their apartment. Similarly, there is another group called ISO SJSU. Here also students post regarding different housing option. You can post as well based on your preference, budget, etc.
You may be also wondering how to travel once you reach here, how to get to a nearest grocery store, or how to get to a mall. Don't worry, San Jose has really good public transportation. You can use light rail and local and rapid buses through your Clipper card. Clipper card is like a travel pass which you get from San Jose State University. I can show you how you can request that, and you can travel for free in public transportation.
You can submit your Clipper card request here. I'll be giving the link in the description. Once you reach to this page, click on submit an online request. After that, enter your SJSU ID and password and submit the request. After you are done doing so, collect your Clipper card from Student Union.
Another important tip that I have for you is regarding grocery. This is an amazing secret. SJSU Pantry gives you every week free fruits, vegetables, chicken, milk, eggs, and whatnot. So you can get all basic grocery items for free every week from the pantry. Another tip is you can get it from Walmart for a cheaper price. If you want to buy in like bulk, you can get from Costco. Costco is like a big supermarket in India. But for Costco, you are required to get a Costco membership, which costs around $60. So you can get that and get everything in bulk. There are many Indian grocery stores in San Jose as well, like Patel Brothers, New India Bazaar, Apna Bazaar, from where you can get Indian groceries or Indian spices or whatever you're craving for. The fun fact is now Walmart and Costco also has some basic Indian pulses, Indian spices or paneer and whatnot. So yeah, you can get it from there as well. Now, as you have settled into your new home and got all the good information regarding groceries and transportation, now it's time for another tip where you can get furniture for affordable price or sometimes for free.
So, if you search for free furniture on Facebook Marketplace, you get all the results available near you. Similarly, on OfferUp, on the left, if you write the price range, you will get the best deals.
Now, as you have settled in your new place, it's time to get you guys open your new bank account. There are many options near SJSU where you guys can go and open free checking account. Make sure you call them before you go there and get to know what all documents they require to open a new bank account. The most general ones are your I-20, passport, your student ID, and your residential proof, etc. But make sure you call them before you go there. Another important tip that I have for you is regarding cell phone service provider. There are many options available here in San Jose, but the one which I really like the most is Mint Mobile. I've been using it since 5 years. It has been great. They have unlimited text, phone calls, and 4 GB of data per month for just like $15. And you can use my link in the description below and get your first month free. There are also many more options like AT&T and Verizon T-Mobile. If you have a group of friends, they have really good deals. You can check that out as well. Now I'm going to show you all the resources and tools which would be very helpful for you in your whole SJSU journey as a Spartan.
The first resource that I want to talk about is Tower Card. This is basically the key to everything. To access building on campus, you would require this card. So make sure you collect your Tower Card from Bursar's office on your first day. Another amazing resource on campus is this equipment loaning in IRC and also in library. Here you can get equipment for loan for semester or for a week, and you can get laptops, cameras, tripods, etc. for whole semester or for a day or for a week, and you can use this amazing resource. It's personally my favorite and it helps a lot. Another amazing resource is my favorite spot on campus. It is Spartan Recreation and Aquatic Center. They have amazing gym, pool. They have outdoor adventures as well, like hiking, camping, surfing, rock climbing and whatnot. So yeah, I'm sure you guys would love it. There's also bowling place on campus in Student Union, so make sure you check it out once you are here. Another amazing resource is Career Center. You can go to Career Center and talk to a career counselor. They also organize many different events, career fairs, etc. There's one more amazing resource they have, which is VMock. On VMock, you can sign in with your student ID and upload your resume, and you can receive personalized feedback on your resume. It's an amazing tool. Another amazing thing is you get so many stuff for free or for discounted price. If you're a student, you can use SJSU email and get all of these amazing benefits. These are most important SJSU tools that you will be using on daily basis. If you try to register for classes, you can do it on your SJSU portal. Once you are registered into classes and the semester begins, you can see all the published classes and you can submit assignments on Canvas. If you would like to make an appointment with an advisor, check it on Spartan Connect. And moving forward, if you want to see emails or any information from SJSU, you can check it on my email. If you are trying to look for an on-campus job, SJSU Handshake is the best place. I also got my on-campus job in my first year there. And if you want to post anything, you can do it on SJSU app. It's like Facebook of SJSU.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope my tips and tricks were helpful for you. Do not forget to like and share this video and comment down below if you have any additional questions. I would get back to you with the answers. And good luck for your new chapter of life.